Do you guys want to clean your house with less effort and have a robot do it for you? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. For this video, it's going to be for the AIRROBO P10 Robotic Vacuum. Got a lot to unpack and test and pack a punch. And so let's just go ahead and get right on into the video. It has a brushless motor, 2600 PA suction, intelligent AI voice control, and a V-type roller brush, smart navigation, smartphone app control, big dustbin, washable HEPA filter. Awesome. The dustbin is going to be 510 milliliters. And just like all my videos, guys, in the description box right below the video is going to be this exact same link where you can pick one up yourself or read more about it. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well. If not, one very similar to it. Without further ado, let's take it out and test it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this on out of here. It's been long enough, and we are actually in a new studio that we are building out. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel for that. We got a lot to unpack here, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, right on the top here, we're gonna have our manual. Go ahead and read that over. Make sure that you get familiar with your robotic vacuum, all the features and everything like that. You have your charging dock cable here, charging cable underneath the robotic vacuum, which we're gonna get to in just a second. You have your docking station right here. This docking station goes up against your wall. You have some pads on the bottom, and it parks itself and charges on the prongs here with the provided cable that I just showed you, plugs in here into your home outlet. You also have a remote control if you want to go ahead and use a remote control function for the robotic vacuum. You also have a cleaning brush and tool here. Lifting up the robotic vacuum, let's go ahead and take a look at our box, making sure we got all the goodies, and we sure did there. Okay, let's go ahead and get this out. You have a couple brush heads already on it, right here and here, and these are great, once again, for when the robotic vacuum is going around your house. It's sweeping the junk into the area here, being able to suck it up right here. This right here is a quick release for your brush. If you get anything tangled in there, remove that, detangle it, dog hair, your hair, snap it back into place. Got your wheels right here, your pivoting wheel right here as well. Your sensors here, here, and right over here. Anti-drop sensor so it doesn't fall down the stairs. Right on front to be able to bang into your furniture very lightly and pivot and rotate. You do got some plastic around the edge. Go ahead and remove all this. And we're gonna fully charge it before we do get started, but let's go ahead and take a look at it here. Very nice finish, if you can see it there with the reflection of the camera in shop, but looking great there. Logo, on and off button right here. Do remove your pads on the bumpers right here so you can get more of a squishy bumpiness to it there. There you go. That's how it's supposed to act right there. And coming around to the back dustbin we have right here. So let's take a closer look at the dustbin here. Obviously it shoots it up right here. We have our filter and our bin right here. So this is what you dump in the trash. Here's your filter screen right here. That is your first filter. And then you have your primary one right here. That latches back into place when you're ready to go. And you can go ahead and clean that out when desired and latch that back up right there. Okay, so that is our dustbin there. It does have an app we're gonna go ahead and connect it to, so you can do it over Wi-Fi, which is great. Or of course, use the provided remote control. They are recommending the charging dock. You need at least 1 meter in each direction on the sides and 2 meters in front, so it can search and find that dock and park itself. This robotic vacuum has auto cleaning, spot cleaning, spiral cleaning, edge cleaning, schedule cleaning, and suction modes. There's actually 4 suction modes, and you have quiet, standard, powerful, and max suction, and you can change all that within the app. The battery inside is gonna be a 2600 milliamp battery, and that's a lithium battery. The good batteries, rechargeable, of course. Dustbin capacity is 510 milliliters, and it says charging duration is about 300 minutes to have it fully from 0 to full capacity. So the manual is not stating how long the runtime is fully charged, so we'll get you some updated information about that as we use it and test it, but of course that will show you the runtime in the app. So let's go ahead and put it on the dock, fully charge it, download the app. All right, guys, I've been using the robotic vacuum for several times now. It's doing a great job picking up the different debris in my house. It does get a little bit more dusty here. I am in a fixer-upper that I am remodeling, and so it's nice to run this, pick up any dust from projects that I am doing. Let's go ahead and see what the dustbin is looking like here. This is after, I think, the 3rd or 4th time run around. As you can see, look at that. And that is just on normal mode. That is crazy. Look at that dust. Let's go ahead and open that up a little bit further. Yep, that is nasty. Goodness gracious. Now when you do dump this, go ahead and clean off your little filter screen as well. But I mean, that is just gnarly. Like, where did that come from? But I like what I'm seeing. Again, that's just on normal mode, normal suction mode. You can go up to powerful mode or go down a little bit as well, but that's just on the medium one. That did a great job picking up nasty dust and debris. So let's talk about charging real quick. As we can see, it is charging. And yesterday when it was going around the house, it said battery low, going back to dock or something like that. Anyway, I've given it enough space on either side as stated in the directions. And so just to let you know though, it does take a little bit of time. It might even pass the charger and it will sense it and just let it do its thing, and then it will come around and dock itself and start charging. Now when it is charging, there is this flashing blue light, and so if this robotic vacuum is in your room and you're very sensitive to that during nighttime, you might want to put it in a different area, not your bedroom where you do sleep, but it was nice that it docked itself. It is also nice that it does multiple surfaces: vinyl, hardwood, carpet, and in this particular remodel of a home, I have all three surfaces. So that was nice that it can go seamlessly from vinyl to carpet to hardwood. So here we are here. We're in a different portion of the house and we are showing you on hardwood surface, being able to go ahead and lightly bump into these objects, working its way around. Again, I'm in a remodel that I am remodeling, so it has different surfaces, and you're probably getting an echoey sound in here because this room is empty. This is going to be my theater room, and so it will go from hardwood. Let's go ahead and watch this as it goes onto tile, and again, it's on medium mode here. It actually might sense that this might be an edge, and so it's doing its automatic cleaning. I just have kept it in automatic cleaning, but remember in the app you can use all the different cleaning methods, your scheduled cleaning, etc., where it will do it all for you all by itself. Now a couple of these things, it's working its way around here, but a couple of these things here, you might want to go ahead and just put some of these things up. You would do that normally, and I need to get rid of that cable wire. But just, you know, pick up normal things like maybe very light area carpet rugs, pick up pieces of paper, cell phone chargers like you normally would when you regularly vacuum. But what is nice is that I can literally bring it into this room because this is down some stairs. I can bring it down here and it will just go ahead and clean away. Also coming up against the wall here, and then it looks like it's going in this sort of a pattern right now as well, but you can change that within the app or the remote control. Brushes being able to zip all the dust into the brush, sucking it up. If you don't feel like downloading the app, again, you can use your remote control, or you can just go ahead and hit the power button right on top and it will go into automatic cleaning mode. Just something also to keep in mind, depends how dusty your house is, but just clean the front area and clean the sensors below. Also, if you have stairs, make sure that those drop sensors are clean so that if it comes over an edge like this, it will sense that there is a stair here and will not fall down, it will turn around. All right, I'm gonna show you a couple features on the remote control, but again, remember this connects to Wi-Fi over the app, so use that. That has many, many, many more features to it, but for simplicity's sake, I'm gonna show you the remote control. So let's go ahead and hit the power up button here and see what happens here. Okay, it said power level, and it actually increased the volume a little bit and suction. And let's see if it was on the lowest mode. I don't think so though. Let's try it one more time. Wow, okay. So it actually went up another whole level. Let's try it one more time. Okay, and then it's back on quiet level. So now we're in the middle mode here. So again, it has the quiet mode if you're watching TV or if you have a baby sleeping or whatnot and you want to go ahead and use the robotic vacuum while you're watching Netflix, etc. But I'm going to go ahead and just juice it up here. Obviously, the battery, now we're on the full mode here, and it is louder, but it's still quieter than a regular electric vacuum in my opinion. Of course, on the highest mode will lower your battery life because it's using more power. Now, using the app or remote control, you can have it take a break. You can continue the process, but let's go ahead and try edge mode here. And we should be on edge mode, so it's going to work its way to an edge, and then it's going to start. Let's go ahead and move this mop out of the way here and just see what transpires here as we are in edge mode. Now, same method applies to spot and the other. So let's see here. I think it's actually going to come around the edges. Yep. So it's going to work its way around the edges in edge mode, which is a great feature if you want it to concentrate on underneath your cabinets here. As you can see underneath my range stove, it's being able to use those brushes and get dialed in there. Again, I'm in a fixer-upper, so forgive a little bit of the woodwork here. We're going to be dialing that in, so you might want to subscribe to the channel if you like some home improvement videos as well. But my range oven is beautiful though. So here we are working around the edge here, the stairs, and what it will do, once again, it's just going to come around the edge here, working its way over here, and then to the wall over here. As you can see right there, coming on up, bumping into that slightly, and then running around the edge of the wall here. I'll tell you what, Berea likes it, that's for sure. So we like what we see, folks. We're gonna go ahead and let that run and suck up some more dust for us. You have quiet mode, you have standard, powerful, and max mode. I'm in max mode right now, but again, we're just working around the edges, and as it comes back to its original spot, I'll switch it over to automatic cleaning. Well, folks, I'm gonna leave you here. The AIRROBO robotic vacuum has done a great job. Again, in the description box right below the video is gonna be this exact same robotic vacuum. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if it does intrigue you and you have the cash and it's something you're interested in, please go ahead and purchase on away. That link, once again, is in the description box below. I wanna thank you for your time. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, it helps with the channel and help support the channel. Subscribe also for more videos like this and DIY projects. We will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.